RS Couture. Toujours à la mode.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. The measurements which we need to make pattern of blazer. Chest round, armhole depth, shoulder length, center back length and full length of blazer, hip length. In this video you are going to see how to make the pattern of back part of blazer. Start making pattern from the left side. Leave 1 inch of margin from point 0 and square across. Then mark point 1 from point 0, so that 0 to 1 equals to armhole depth plus half inch. Mark 0 to 2 as center back length. Now mark 2 to 3 as hip length. And finally mark 0 to 4 as full length of your blazer. Square out all these points 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now mark 0 to 5 as 1/12 of chest round plus half inch. Square up from point 5, 1 inch. Join 0 dash to 5 dash with curve, that is back neck round. Mark 5 to 6, 1/8 of chest round plus half inch. Square down from point 6 till the bottom line. And mark point 7. Mark 1 dash and 2 dash also. Two to 2 dash equals to 0 to 6 minus 3/4 inch. This is for shaping waistline. Seven to 7 dash, 1/4 inch or half inch depending on the shape of the bottom. Now leave the allowance for the slit finishing around 1/4 inch or 1.5 inch. That has to be taken from 7 dash to 8. Mark 8 to 8 dash 7.5 inches for the slit opening. Mark 2 to 9 half or 3/4 inch inwards. Mark 4 to 10 equals to 2 to 9. Join 9 to 10 and join 9 to 0 dash either with the curve or straight line. Mark 1 dash to 11, 1/16 of chest round. Take midpoint of 1 dash to 6 and mark point 12. Mark 11 to 11 dash as 3/4 inch outwards. 12 to 13 equals to half of 6 to 12 plus 3/4 inch. Square out a guideline from point 13. On this guideline, mark shoulder length from point 5 dash to 13 dash. Join 1 dash to 11 dash and 11 dash to 13 dash. Join 1 dash to 2 dash and 2 dash to 7 dash. Thank you for watching.